Good afternoon everyone, just time for a quick video. The Amazon guy's just been dropped off a parcel and I bought this because it was a bargain. Well, it was a bargain to me anyway. They usually retail for about 90 quid. And I got these on Amazon for 40. You can't go wrong at that price. I hope they don't disappoint. Clark's black shoes. I think they're called 3 Feathers or something. Or Nature 3, sorry. Leather trainers. Shoes. With active air. There we are. Stitching around the feet. Thick soles. Let's get the other one out. Not too heavy. And there we have it. Can't wait to start using them. If you want to see more videos like this, I've got another one coming up. Hopefully in the next week. Like and subscribe and I'll get that out as quick as possible as I can. See you on the next one.